Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, setting the tone for a productive and energetic morning. Start your day right with a combination of flavors and nutrients that will delight your senses. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, mingling with the fragrance of baking pancakes. One of the most delightful options for breakfast is fluffy pancakes topped with fresh fruits and a drizzle of maple syrup. Begin by mixing flour, eggs, milk, and a pinch of salt until you achieve a smooth batter. Heat a skillet coated with a touch of butter, then pour in the batter, forming perfect circles. Watch as bubbles form on the surface. That's your cue to flip them to a golden perfection. Serve your pancakes with sliced strawberries and blueberries for a burst of freshness. And don't forget the syrup, a sweet touch that binds the flavors beautifully. If you crave something savory, consider a hearty vegetable omelet. Saute diced bell peppers, onions, and spinach in a skillet until they soften, releasing their vibrant colors and delightful aromas. Whisk eggs with a splash of milk and pour the mixture over the sautéed vegetables, allowing it to set gently. As it cooks, sprinkle shredded cheese over the top, letting it melt into gooey perfection. Fold the omelet gently, revealing the colorful filling inside, and serve with toasted bread or avocado slices for added nutrition and flavor. For those who enjoy a refreshing start, a smoothie bowl is a fantastic choice. Blend your favorite fruits, such as bananas and mangoes, with a splash of yogurt and a splash of milk until smooth. Pour the blend into a bowl and top with granola, sliced fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. The vibrant colors evoke a sense of joy and fullness, awakening your taste buds to the new day ahead. This dish not only looks appetizing, but is also packed with vitamins to fuel your day. Lastly, don't overlook the classic overnight oats, which are a time saver. Combine rolled oats, yogurt, and your choice of milk in a jar, and layer in fruits, nuts, or chia seeds. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a creamy, satisfying breakfast ready to eat. This no-cook recipe is perfect for busy mornings, allowing you to enjoy a delicious, balanced meal on the go. Embrace the joy of breakfast with these exciting recipes and make every morning a special occasion.